Welcome, everyone. Every time you walk through these doors, you're taking steps to find yourself. Remember, this is a safe place. There's no judgment. You are accepted right where you're at, and wherever that leads, to find your own peace and happiness. Feel free to express yourself, to release your anxiety. I want you to be able to walk out with inner strength to finally be free.
This is a big topic because it's so common and so prevalent these days.
Don't think about it too much.
Anxiety is one of the things that actually, if you don't do anything about it, it usually doesn't go away on its own.
Don't think about it too much. It is crazy.
50% of people who have an anxiety disorder are also depressed. Most people think that anxiety becomes a problem when they have just a lot of anxiety.
Something on my mind been pulling me down. 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 Something on my mind been pulling me down.
Ask yourself, is anxiety holding me back from what I want to do? Is it interfering with my life? Don't look at the intensity. If I didn't come to this show because I say, oh well, I have too much anxiety and I don't want to have it, and therefore I will not go to the show, well, then I'm on the way to developing a disorder.
Something on my mind been pulling me down. 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 Don't think about it too much, shit is crazy. Don't think about it too much, little baby. I think a little too much, please save me. I think a little too much, somebody save me.
I get anxiety. Overthinking always get the best of me. Damn, I get anxiety.
Tug of war
Yeah.
with their anxiety.
Alright, let me do that properly. Damn, I get anxiety. Hope my people fuck with me entirely. Damn, I get anxiety. Always tryna make my mama proud of me.
Bitches only want weddings and marriages. Everybody acting like they savages. Mind is hella broken, check the damages. Medical disorder, need some cannabis.
Sometimes I feel like being me don't got advantages. I could be chillin', but my mind is facing challenges. Me and my niggas sippin' the lean up out some chalices. You can imagine all my bitches fly like Pegasus. And I don't ever wanna be where all you maggots be. I could just bag up all this dope and then I'm selling it. And if I get caught with it on me, I'm not telling shit. Me and my niggas also gifted on some talent shit. Yeah, mama never caught me slipping by no booze or drugs. I was always hella confident in who I was. How come I had to get famous to find out we cousins? All you rappers is my sons, it's cheaper by the dozens. I grind, I ain't never had a Christmas list. I don't even write, but check the penmanship. Money over bitches, I don't need a missus. Niggas all bitches, probably sit when they piss. Yeah, how would it be if people held you down every single time the trouble came? Yeah, how would it be if you had to take drugs just to keep them voices out your brain?
Something on my mind been pulling me down. 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 Don't think about it too much, shit is crazy. Don't think about it too much, little baby. I think a little too much, please save me. I think a little too much, somebody save me.
Damn, I get anxiety. Hope my people fuck with me entirely. Damn, I get anxiety. Always tryna make my mama proud of me.
Bitches only want weddings and marriages. Everybody acting like they savages. Mind is hella broken, check the damages. Medical disorder, need some cannabis.
It's when you allow anxiety to interfere with your life and what is important to you, then it becomes a disorder.
So you're controlling the anxiety in a sense, it's not controlling you. You're living your life, you feel it like we all do, but
Yeah. Well, and here's the thing, you used a very important word. I'm actually not controlling my anxiety, because that is the pitfall. So many people look for treatments that are aimed at controlling, managing, reducing, preferably even eliminating anxiety. And the bad news is that doesn't work. It really doesn't work very well.
We got trees, hella jets. Me no lover, me no coffee, no arrest. No need to wipe my eyes, cause I've seen this before. I've lived twice, so I've been this before. Good guy, bad guy, I play him well this time. Last time, I gave him hell.
If I'm stepping out the house, I need a fair amount. Not really the type to be out and about. Do my thing, I get the guap and then I'm out. If you got problems, my nigga, then you should air them out. Yeah, I'm really him, it's not a rumor. Yeah, I drip like I'm a barracuda. Yeah, if she got ass, then I recruit her. Yeah, if she fuck around, I'll marry cuter. These are things on my mind, I'm a demon in disguise. I see black when I look up to the sky. It's pretty clear in my eyes, I'm a king to you guys. I wonder when you wake up and realize.
We got trees, hella jets. Pop up when I wanna, you can't fuck with the finesse. Me no lover, me no cuff, no arrest. You wanna pop a pill, have sex.
Blessed, why you getting upset? Don't got no time, I need to text. Just before I stretch, money on my head while I'm laying in my bed. Why you getting upset?
If you living like a slave, I hope you die a king. Set your alarms, the walking dead still got some life in them. If pain is beauty, how a scar gon' kill the Lion King? Guess it's not a movie if there ain't nobody dying in it. I'm on a poster looking flyer than the flyer is. Fly higher, kids, that's the reason that the sky exists. Thought I opened hurry smoking, made my eyelids twitch. I tweeted God, but my keypad don't have hieroglyphs. Slaving for the change, you should be saving for the change. It's a shame, you niggas are enabling your pain. Lot of you lames ain't really worth your payment or your fame. When you shooting for success, you need some patience in your aim. Wake and bake while I'm praying for this bacon on my plate. Oh, you're the best, you better own up to the statements that you make. To hit the target, you're gonna need some training in your game. And tsunamis leave graves, they getting faded by my wave.
We got trees, hella jets. Pop up when I wanna, you can't fuck with the finesse. Me no lover, me no cuff, no arrest. You wanna pop a pill, have sex.
Blessed, why you getting upset? Don't got no time, I need to text. Just before I stretch, money on my head while I'm laying in my bed. Why you getting upset?
I have some things I need to keep out of my mind. They broke my heart, but they visit sometimes. Chasing money cost you peace of mind. I'll be alright, I just need some time. Falling in my sleep, falling in my sleep, falling in my sleep, falling in my sleep, and I've been falling in my sleep, falling in my sleep, falling in my sleep, falling in my sleep. Rain, 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 rain. Need more champagne, bang, bang, yeah, bang, bang, bang. Might go insane. Rain, 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 rain. Bring more champagne, bang, bang.
talk to the people I know and I talk to the people I trust. Came with my niggas, but every hoe in this party is coming with us. I don't remember a time when I walked in this bitch and they didn't show me love. Yeah, damn it, it's loud in this bitch and I don't understand why you talk in the club. Yeah, came to get rich and we making the killing. I'm hitting the lick with a glove. Yeah, you in your feelings and you hella mad cause you found out the bitch is a dub. Yeah, I'm having visions about it. I did this shit for survival. I'm sending the text in the bottle. I be so high like Apollo. Damn, I been dealing with sorrow. I cannot see you tomorrow. Damn it, my heart is so hollow. I do it once and they follow. Dope like I'm part of the Narcos. Gang in this bitch like a vato. Shout out to Blasi Milano. I'm going out like I'm Pablo. I have some things I need to keep out of my mind. They broke my heart but they visit sometimes. Chasing money cost you peace of mind. I'll be alright, I just need some time. Falling in my sleep. Falling in my sleep. Falling in my sleep. Falling in my sleep. And I've been falling in my sleep. Falling in my sleep. Falling in my sleep. Falling in my sleep. Rain, rain, yeah. Rain, rain, rain. Need more champagne. Yeah. Might go insane. Rain, rain, yeah. Bring more champagne. Yeah. Might go insane.
Drowning in my tears, lost in my ideas. If it's fuck us, then it's fuck 'em. I don't have no fears. When I hear your names, I dey chuckle. Whatever you do, I do it double. You live in a bubble. If I don't like the hands I'm dealt, I shuffle. I don't do shit just for show. I share a lot with your hoe. Homie, you probably should know. I fell in love with the throat. She fell in love with my. We do the impossible. Sometimes I do what I'm told. Don't have no ego to stroke. You're all my sons, you been that. I don't fuck with y'all, that's incest. Boys, they frame me up for using their ideas when they fucking took it off Pinterest. That's interesting, see your life, reassess it. All that hate, you need adjustment. I die for my own. You either hot or cold, no lukewarms, bro.
I have some things I need to keep out of my mind. They broke my heart, but they visit sometimes. Chasing money cost you peace of mind. I'll be alright, I just need some time. Falling in my sleep. Falling in my sleep. Falling in my sleep. Falling in my sleep. And I've been falling in my sleep. Falling in my sleep. Falling in my sleep. Falling in my sleep. Rain, rain, yeah. Need more champagne. Yeah. Might go insane. Yeah. Bring more champagne. Yeah. Might go insane.
Falling asleep. Oftentimes what you find with anxiety is individuals are able to fall asleep very easily, but then wake up a few hours before they would normally would. So if they tend to wake up at 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening or in the morning, oftentimes they'll wake up at 3 or 4 o'clock and being unable to get back to sleep.
Society doesn't seem to like loners. The herd of today cannot stand non-participation. People that prefer being alone seem to evoke suspicion. First, they're ridiculed, like she must be a crazy person or no one likes her. Then they are feared. Is he preparing a terrorist attack? Could she be a serial killer? Or maybe a witch? In popular culture, villains are often depicted as solitary creatures.
Everything come with a price. Everything come with a price, yeah. I fell in love with silence, yeah. Not now, please be quiet, yeah. Don't talk, you gotta be about it, yeah. Big drip on me, I'm wildin', yeah. Big drip on me, I'm nice, cool, driving down Collins, yeah.
These girls can't keep shit private, yeah. Pay me full, no deposits, ain't no flex if you got it, I've paid all of my debts. I'm a big dog, I don't fetch. Cut your neck like Gillette. Only real ones in my set. I can't even lose a bet. I just checkmate like chess. I'm as real as it gets. You do anything for a check, yeah. I only speak to microphones. I spend too much time alone. It's been a while since I've been home. Ooh. Don't speak on things that I don't know. I don't talk, I'd rather show. This kind of smoke will make you choke. Ooh. I fell in love with silence, yeah. Not now, please be quiet, yeah. Don't talk, you gotta be about it, yeah. Big drip on me, I'm wildin', yeah. Big drip on me, I'm...
So, does that really mean that solitude is bad for you? Not at all. Solitude can be a blessing, and science has proven that spending time alone can have tremendous benefits. If used wisely, solitude can be a powerful tool.
Shit is just way too deep in, that's why I stay alone. Sometimes I pop up beaches to tap into my zone. I really hate the feeling, sometimes I just won't be known. Hey, you should keep on judging like you doing nothing wrong. And I got niggas labeling the boy a bitch. Pause. Same niggas bouncing on my fucking dick. Yeah, but I guess all this pressure just gon' make me rich. Yeah, these are perks of being a shit, it is what it is. Mind y'all start reaching, yeah, cause niggas out here is eating, yeah. Ain't no beef, just cheese in here. I eat with my dogs, no greed in here. Mind y'all start reaching, yeah, and get out of your feelings, yeah. Niggas is out here building, yeah, and we still far from finish, yeah.
I only speak to microphones. I spend too much time alone. It's been a while since I've been home. Ooh. Don't speak on things that I don't know. I don't talk, I'd rather show. This kind of smoke will make you choke. Ooh. I fell in love with silence, yeah. Not now, please be quiet, yeah. Don't talk, you gotta be about it, yeah. Big drip on me, I'm wildin', yeah. Big drip on me, I'm...
Zoocci Coke Dope. He's the dealer.
What's in my pockets, nigga? Cash on arrival, I command. That's my title, nigga. Hands on the Bible, yeah. She might pop it with my hands on the spinal. I got fans, I'm my idol. If I smash, she might go viral, might go off or some, yeah. Might get lost or some, yeah. She so troublesome, I hit can't cuff no officer, yeah. I'm ignoring her, she think that she might boss or some, yeah. Check my arsenal, I swing like playing golf or some, she's a fan, but she took a chance cause she heard we got bands. I get money, she with me and she say we like we in France. I don't wanna politic, yeah. My bitch probably did, yeah. I need a Prada fit, yeah. Niggas all counterfeit, yeah. What's in my pockets, nigga? Cash on arrival, I command. That's my title, nigga. Hands on the Bible, yeah. She might pop it with my hands on the spinal. I got fans, I'm my idol. If I smash, she might go viral, Think I'm soft for some, dick in her esophagus, yeah. Nigga, I'm optimist. Niggas can't out awesome us, yeah. Niggas ask for us, got goons that are ready to blast for us, yeah. Nigga, they ask for
home and I ran it up. I got stamina, my bitch polite like Canada. My passport gang is tatted up. I seen some shit like janitor. Turn up to the maximum. You should be a couch ambassador. My ice is clears your calendar. Fuck a officer. I'm just warming up. I be charming her. She think that I want all of her. Tryna be baby moms or something. I pose out with the condom on. Zoocci Coke, I be some shit phenomenal. Dominoes, blessings fall like dominoes. They get caught like charges though. This blunt look like an envelope. My grind is plausible. Can't be weak or vulnerable. I'm unpillow talkable. My emotions inaudible. Get off
What's
me.
in my pockets, nigga? Cash on arrival, I command. That's my title, nigga. Hands on the Bible, yeah. She might pop it with my hands on the spinal. I got fans, I'm my idol. If I smash, she might go viral. Might go off or some, yeah. Might get lost or some, yeah. She so troublesome. I hit can't cuff no officer, yeah. I'm ignoring her. She think that she my boss or some, yeah. Check my arsenal. I swing like playing golf or some,
Got so high I landed out of space. Me and God just had a conversation. Look me in my eyes, know I be great. They gon' hate, let them hate. Can't nobody go against your fate. Oh, he bowed it, send him location if he stepping out of place. Take that shit straight to the grave. It's some things I cannot say. And I'm probably pouring up a cup, I'm still stuck in my ways. Paranoid up in my brain. I can't trust no one these days. Trust no one these days. I cannot make the mistake. It feel like the end of days. Niggas done changed up for some change. Shit get crazy. I cannot make the mistake. Sucker proof that stay to day. Ain't worked this hard to stay the same. Shit get crazy.
Me ain't got my conversation. Like what's your take? I know that shit that's taking place. Took a LA road, a bigger LA. Fuck it, I catch a fade. And that's okay, we just charge that to the game.
Oh, he bowed it, send him location if he stepping out of place. Take that shit straight to the grave. It's some things I cannot say. And I'm probably pouring up a cup, I'm still stuck in my ways. Paranoid up in my brain. I can't trust no one these days.
Me ain't got my conversation. Like what's your take? I know that shit that's taking place. Took a LA road, a bigger LA. Fuck it, I catch a fade. And that's okay, we just charge that to the game.
Love is like, what? You know, like, you ever love somebody, and you're still like, I don't like you. You know what I mean? Like, I love you, I just don't.
Face it, yeah. I really lost my patience, yeah. You stutter when you say things, yeah. You was popping on occasion. You was my favorite, yeah. And maybe we be better off as strangers, yeah. How you gon' put my life in danger, yeah. You was popping on occasion. You was my favorite, yeah. There you go again, there you go again, yeah. Life is bigger than impressing all your friends, yeah. There you go again, there you go again, yeah. Don't you know them people fake and they pretend, yeah. Loving you was proof that I don't love myself. And I always knew, but love will take you to your death. And I always knew, but I just kept it to myself. And loving you was proof that I don't love myself. And yeah.
Love or a drug, people be like, yo, stay away from that shit. You could lose your house, man.
Face it, yeah. I was flying on a spaceship, yeah. That's why we lost communication, yeah. I just could never be basic,
that was your favorite. And maybe we'd be better off as strangers. Yeah, how you gon' put my life in danger? Yeah, you was popping on occasion. You was my favorite. Yeah. There you go again, there you go again. Yeah, life is bigger than impressing all your friends. Yeah, there you go again, there you go again. Yeah. Don't you know them people fake and they pretend, yeah. I'll get by, girl, I'm better on my own, yeah. I don't worry over things I can't control, yeah. I went back, don't know what we're working on. Shouldn't have happened all along. How could I have been so wrong, yeah.
Stay away from that, cause love makes you crazy. It's like you're on some hard drug, you know. It's like being on drugs. 6 months will go by and your friend will be like, you married who? She took what? And you'd be like, there's nothing I can do. I was not that love. I was in the car with my girl and out of nowhere she goes, to each his own. And I was like, what do you mean? And then she goes, I mean to each his own. I was like, I heard what you said. I don't know what you mean.
Don't stop. Gonna know we be poppin' on, we be poppin' on, we be poppin', don't stop. Let me have it, baby. Let me beat it, beat it. Know my key, know my lady, beat it.
Zoocci Coke Dope. He's the
Take a little sip, let go, don't feel pain, oh, yeah. If it all burned down, I'll have my pride and soul, yeah. Life's been moving so fast, out of my control, yeah. Trapped in a maze with nowhere else to go. Big rocks, big rings, big chain, yeah, yeah. Big racks, big rings, big chains. How you gon' talk like you mad at us? The diamonds you rockin' from Africa. Why you gon' talk like you mad at us? The diamonds we rockin' from Africa. Yeah, I like big ass on my lap. Yeah, I don't hang with niggas that rap. Yeah, I cannot handle the cap. Yeah, I wasn't planning to rap. Yeah, don't stress about money. I get it, I spend it. I know that I go make it back. Yeah, fill up my piggy with racks. Fill up the cribby with plaques. I don't hang with bitches that talk about niggas that rap. Niggas are haters, I promise I cannot adapt. Yeah, yeah. Relations with money are toxic, I get too attached. We are not homies, so I am not giving you daps. The plug is a homie, I'm smoking and chilling. He waiting and filling a pack. Came in the game and I got me some plex. I'm like, damn it, I don't even rap. I feel like most of these niggas need the GPS when they get on the map. Niggas that don't even rap, they drippin', I'm closing the tab. Yeah. Take a little sip, let go, don't feel pain, oh, yeah. If it all burned down, I'll have my pride and soul, yeah. Life's been moving so fast, out of my control, yeah. Trapped in a maze with nowhere else to go. Big rocks, big rings, big chain, yeah, yeah. Big racks, big rings, big chains. How you gon' talk like you mad at us? The diamonds you rockin' from Africa. Why you gon' talk like you mad at us? The diamonds we rockin' from Africa, yeah.
Ever since I got in the hip-hop game, I've been an imposter, you make false claims, saying that I've changed and I've lost my way. To God I pray, one day I'll lay in a coffin. Until then our ground won't be common. Smoke dope trees and I choked on the pollen. The rose on the side of the street won't blossom if your feet step on it. Stomp the yard, cause bar for bar I've gone too far. You on your marks to start your car. Caviar in Zanzibar, small but larger. That facade, a glass mirage. I broke the vase and broke her heart, I lost my chance. And I did it in Afrikaans. And no, I'm not like these rap niggas, so don't perceive me as that nice. You still got a lot to learn. It takes 2 stones to kill a mockingbird. And when I dropped the verse, what happened? They had a loss for words. Punchlines give you a KO. Looking for the gold and the rainbow. Our 24 hours are the same though. I just think yours went to waste though, because clean bros hate the main O's.
Take a little sip, let go, don't feel pain, oh, yeah. If it all burned down, I'll have my pride and soul, yeah. Life's been moving so fast, out of my control, yeah. Trapped in a maze with nowhere else to go. Big rocks, big rings, big chain, yeah, yeah. Big racks, big rings, big chains.
How you gon' talk like you mad at us? The diamonds you rockin' from Africa. Why you gon' talk like you mad at us? The diamonds we rockin' from Africa. Yeah.
Women are manipulatable, but you have to think chess. You have to think, I'm gonna say something, she's gonna react, I counter-react, her counter-reaction, and then what do I say after that? That's where you have to figure it out. She's gonna get mad, well then I'm leaving, I'm gonna leave it, you go with somebody else. Hold on, don't be oh I'm sorry, Carlos told me, don't do that. Hold on, let her walk, bro, let her walk. She's gonna get to the door, as soon as she gets to the door, stop her, but don't stop her like, oh I'm sorry, please come back. No, como hombre, con huevos, you understand me, bro?
No, you wanna drink, won't smoke, won't fuck all night. You just my type, yeah. I don't wanna play those games. Don't fuss, don't fight, just smoke it right, yeah.
Really wanna take you home. Drinking my styrofoam, yeah. Making my face her throne. I'm a big dog and she let me be. You're a keeper. Smoking and fucking and flexing. Girl, I see ya. Swear that your face is perfection, no.
No, you wanna drink, won't smoke, won't fuck all night. You just my type, yeah. I don't wanna play those games. Don't fuss, don't fight, just smoke it right, yeah.
Really wanna take you home. Drinking my styrofoam, making my face her throne. I'm a big dog and she let me be. You're a keeper. Smoking and fucking and flexing. Girl, I see ya. Swear that your face is perfection, no.
No, you wanna drink, won't smoke, won't fuck all night. You just my type,
yeah.
I don't wanna play those games. Don't fuss, don't fight, just smoke.
Yeah.
What I said I meant, okay? I will never need you. It is not a plausibility nor a possibility in our relationship. But I do want you to know that I will forever want you.
Pussy bomb, you a terrorist, yeah. Flood your neck up with carrots, yeah. Mirror says you the fairest, yeah. She my queen, she's Daenerys. I do well and I do smoke. We so serious, can't take jokes. I smoke weed and she take coke. In her mouth and not her nose. Run, 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 baby, on the lid. Do it for your man like your mama said. I could have the bottom of your shoes all red. I'm a man on my word, I go do what I say. Goddamn, I think of you and I think too much. Things that I say really make you blush. I'm from the streets, need to work on my trust. Got a fat ass and it's good for my keeper. Smoking and fucking and flexing. Girl, I see ya. Swear that your face is perfection, no.
No, you wanna drink, won't smoke, won't fuck all night. You just my type, yeah. I don't wanna play those games. Don't fuss, don't fight, just smoke it right, yeah.
Really wanna take you home. Drinking my styrofoam, making my face her throne. I'm a big dog and she let me roam. You just only sorry cause I found out, yeah. But you were never sorry when you had a secret, yeah. You don't know what I'm willing to do just to feel happy, yeah. You don't know what I'm willing to do just to feel free, yeah. You just only sorry cause I found out. You were never sorry when you had a secret. You just only sorry cause I found out. You were never sorry when you had a secret. You don't know what I'm willing to do just to feel happy. You don't know what I'm willing to do just to feel free, yeah. Have you ever doubted yourself so much that your heart turned cold, you can't sleep at night? Do you ever wanna let go when you wanna choose love, but you know that something ain't right? Something ain't right here, yeah. something ain't right. If I fornicate with women, am I sinning? If I paid the price to get it, am I winning? Narcotics in my system, head is spinning. I pray the things I do don't curse my children. I wonder how I got here from a village. Keep all your opinions, bitch, I did it. They took my heart from me, but I'm living. Damn it, don't this shit sound like a feeling? Yeah, whoa. Walk in and I'm hella faded, I'm going off, I'm super saiyan, I'm overpaid and I'm underrated, nigga, dang. Yeah. I don't talk it, I demonstrate it. Niggas pissed off that a nigga made it. Did it all by myself like I masturbated, nigga, damn. Yeah. Bang, bang, yeah. I've been working, I've been repping with the same gang, yeah. Had to leave, I had to focus, had to maintain, yeah. Why these niggas acting like we in the same game, yeah. How come all you niggas so identical? See you out here flexing about things that I have done before. Niggas out here hating, I ain't even reached my pinnacle. How you make a song about another man? To me that shit is comical. Dominoes, these niggas falling off, they scream Geronimo. I vominos up on the beat, I got all different types of flows. My watch is Michael Kors, I need all different types of those. I never lie to hoes, you niggas fight for those. Yeah, the boy is dope, of course. I eat the beef with no coleslaw. My hoes got no flaws, I stick my dick in they torso. I never detour, you always speak more. I hear these niggas talking, but they need to check the score. Bored, I make hits every time I'm bored. Yeah, and my shit Noah's Ark and you not aboard. Yeah, I don't need no credit, nigga, no awards. Yeah, I bet you never heard shit like this before. Seen it all before, yeah. Killing all these niggas, I might need a lawyer. Yeah, when you fire, they ignore you. I've been out here smoking on some good Magnolia. Seen it all before, yeah. Shit is deja vu, yeah. Seen it all before, time and time again. Shit is deja vu. Yeah, seen it all before.
God coming down from heaven on the wings of cherubs gives you a clue of what being outclassed is really like when the creator of the world and the universe and all creation comes in response to the pain of his child. That's pretty significant. You're getting to see a very large creation of God with a massive wingspan that can suddenly come down out of the heavens. In other words, don't mess with angels. Don't mess with cherubs in particular. Cherubs are definitely angels. You need to understand that. They are powerful angels. We don't mess with the cherubs because they are at God's bidding and God's disposal. And remember always that through Christ you can succeed, even when others say you can't.
It's not that deep, it's not that deep. Get my peace, pray for peace. She don't fuck for free, but she got no cheese. It's not that deep, it's not that deep. It's not that deep, it's not that deep. Get my peace, pray for peace. She don't fuck for free, but she got no cheese. It's not that deep. It's not that deep, it's not that deep. When we meet, calling your phone, don't miss that beat. When we meet, don't get too deep. I'm a god, OMG. Fuck with a beast, get out of bed and I get on a beat. Go to the bank, roll with the gang and we smoking on Keef. High in demand, telling them facts and they call it a beef. Kill them all, kill them all. If I'm on your case, then I'm keeping it brief. Perfect. Ma, please don't go. I got gold, I go flex. I smoke too much, I don't trip, I don't stress. I feel like oil, I don't mix, I don't blend. I look up, I thank God, cause I'm so blessed. It's not that deep, it's not that deep. Get my peace, pray for peace. She don't fuck for free, but she got no cheese. It's not that deep, it's not that deep. It's not that deep, deep. Get my peace, pray for peace. She don't fuck for free, but she got no cheese. It's not that deep, it's not that deep.
Can't give my love to you, mama. I had enough of the drama. I had enough like I'm married. Fuck up a key like Mariah. She fall in love with the breeze. Taking video front of the beach. We came a long way from the peach. Bitch, if you don't love me, then leave. Told her I love her, I'm offin'. No, I don't come around often. Bitch, I been too busy bossing. Spend a day with me and callin'. Make some money, made it backflip. For the phone, she an actress. Ellie all over her captions. This ain't a moment to capture.
It's not that deep, it's not that deep. Get my peace, pray for peace. She don't fuck for free, but she got no cheese. It's not that deep, it's not that deep. It's not that deep, it's not that deep. Get my peace, pray for peace. She don't fuck for free, but she got no cheese. It's not that deep, it's not that deep. It's not that deep.
From a show, I need some company. Tryna get this girl from an academy. Yeah, ask me why I'm calling, say she mad at me. Yeah, then she say she coming, I say obviously. Yeah, all I need, all I need. Yeah, pussy, money, weed, maybe all I need. Yeah, all I need, all I need. Yeah, pussy, money, weed, maybe all I need. I heard a knock, it's probably bitches at the door. I don't order, bitch, I cop it by the store. No security, don't run up on me wrong. Oh, what the fuck, you thought this shit was just a song? Round here we be getting business on the regular. Fees are always blowing up my cellular. Out of this world, I'm probably choking on some nebula. From the top, oh yeah, the view is so spectacular. Better be quiet when I go record. Bitch, I'm a boss. Get on your knees like I'm a fucking god. Why you looking lost? It's that shit they never heard before. I got plenty more. Hit it till it's sore. I'm a pussy connoisseur. If it's for my bitch, I go spend digits on the bag. I do it cause I know how all these bitches need to brag. Call me just to feed her, I'm like, bitch, I'm not your dad. Always hella driven, so I smoke a lot of gas. All I need, all I need. Pussy, money, weed, maybe all I need. All I need, all I need. Yeah, pussy, money, weed, maybe all I need. Girl, is you riding? Are you all in? I might have to go to work till the morning. Girl, is you riding? Are you all in? Always gotta work till the morning, yeah. I've been hella focused on the bag, yeah. Money over bitches, get the cash, yeah. Heard you running payments on that ass, yeah. Why you chasing things that never last, yeah.
All these nominees, we don't really need. Wearing radar bleed, Jordans on my feet. House snap like a chief style, pick you up, go lift up. Begoods a series, like it to a bombatista. Why ba killer babe, short and simple gift. Zulun keep a beast, can't call the milk at this. Kilo 3 o'clock, marauka severegis. Orange Calvin Klein swimwear, beregish. Nyaga China wala dope boy illegalis. Money came with anxiety, I can reminisce. One shawty this, now she follow back, sending texts cause she miss me. Had to keep my distance to keep it if I risk it. Chrisabella live, I'm really this I live. I hope you don't sleep, I got proof receipt. Start off from codeine, sky I go vita.
All I need,
Pussy, money, weed, maybe all I need. Yeah, all I need, all I need. Yeah, pussy, money, weed, maybe all I need. Girl, is you riding? Are you all in? I might have to go to work till the morning. Girl, is you riding? Are you all in? Always gotta work till the morning. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Zoocci Coke Dope.
Go and live your life, you good on your own. Grab a camp chair, you don't deserve a throne. Yeah. Stuck with memories, I'm sitting all alone. I was with my niggas, probably getting stoned. I was your nigga, I was like your mascot. You were looking average, I was giving mad props. I was addicted cause your pussy like a crack rock. Take my weed, put it in a stash spot. I'm only joking, it's crazy what love will make you do. I guess it's my fault, I've always seen a better you. If you were me and I was you, I wonder what you would do. And I would never put you through the things you put me through. Looking at my efforts, I feel like a fool. Can't never fall in love, I fall into a pool. Ass fat, full moon in the afternoon. What happens after school, happens after school. Cause when it's wartime, it's really wartime. And when it's your time, it's really your time. You made a name for yourself, it's everywhere you go. Even where you stay, I couldn't love a hoe.
You know, for you, I'd play the fool. The things you do, I'd never do. There's constantly war between us both. Your love ain't for me, I need something new. Push me away any chance you get. Don't try to stay, it won't be the same. You just need to run away from me. You just need to stay away from me.
Yeah, give a fuck if you love me when you don't love yourself. Smoking on broccoli, man, I hope it helps. I've had some time to think properly, still go fuck yourself. The way this shit is going, I can't wish you well, yeah. I'm throwing all my coins down to wishing well, yeah. Before I wish you well, yeah. Cause you bring me hell, yeah. Lies between your lies, by now I know you well, yeah. Overthinking everything, I'm in a mental cell, yeah. Why would you act like I was insecure, yeah? When you were lying, I couldn't be sure, yeah. You saw my pain and couldn't be a cure, yeah. You saw my pain and broke me some more, yeah. You had me wrapped around your little finger. Thought I was stupid like I'm not that nigga, yeah. Get over you, I hope it happened quicker, yeah. Blow up my brains, I'm finna pull a trigger. Voices in my head, Zulu, why would you date her? Bad communication, running out of data. Don't wanna see you now, don't wanna see you later. Telling all my homies that I fucking hate
you. You know, for you, I'd play the fool. The things you do, I'd never do. There's constantly war between us both. Your love ain't for me, I need something new. Push me away any chance you get. Don't try to stay, it won't be the same. You just need to run away from me. You just need to stay away from me.
You see, true love is the only type of love that can keep and sustain a relationship. It will help you to make the ultimate sacrifice, to give up playing games, quit destructive habits, and seek counseling when you can to acquire tools and knowledge in order for you to have a healthy relationship.
And it sounds like that was what led you to go to your GP.
Yeah.
So how has that changed things for you?
Damn. It's a crazy question. It's
Firstly, I promised myself to try and forget the whole thing and act like it never happened, because it was such a bad time mentally for me and I don't ever want to think about it. But this is therapy, so if I had to explain it to someone.
I feel like I died that day, but my eyes never closed. I feel like I died that day, but my eyes never closed. I feel like I died that day, but my eyes never closed. I feel like I died that day, but my eyes never closed.
Darling, 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 I lost my mind without you, but I'm free. I was on the low, talking money, talking big dreams, knocking on the door. Needed racks, I need my own things. Needed racks, I need my own thing. Needed racks, I need my own. I was on the low, talking money, talking big rings, knocking on the door. Needed racks, I need my own thing. No, 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 no. They told me no, 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 no. Dali, 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 I wish we took off and went overseas. Dali, 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 I always thought there was something about me. I was on the low, talking money, talking big rings. I can't talk cause my heart's still dark. I don't know how my heart still holds some trash-filled choices. We crashed and we lost it.